Hello guys, Makeup Cat here, aka the Palette Princess, or you guys can actually call me the Mystery Box Master today because we are going to be unboxing the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics surprise bag from Beautylish. So Jeffree Star Cosmetics released a surprise mystery bag on Beautylish. It was completely a surprise. I didn't even know it was happening. I was randomly on Beautylish and I saw that they were selling it and I knew that I had to buy it and unbox it for you guys. So this is what the box looks like, and guys, it's so big. I was really not expecting it, but I'm so excited. And in this box, it contained 6 mystery items, and this box was sold for $75. This mystery box is not being sold anymore because it was only a limited time offer. It was only up on the Beautylish website for 4 days, and then after that, it was gone. But don't worry, I'm here to show you guys what I got, and I am so excited to dive into it. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a like and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. Also, make sure you stay to the end of the video because I have a surprise palette that I want to show you guys that was not a part of this Beautylish mystery box, but it is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so you guys are going to want to stay tuned and see what it is. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into this mystery box. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, my heart is racing right now because I really hope that I get a palette that I don't have already. If you guys haven't seen my last Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box unboxing, I ended up getting 2 palettes that I already had, and it was the Blue Blood palette and the Bloodlust palette. So I'm really hoping that it's not in this box. So, okay, let's get started. Let's open it up. Okay. Alrighty. This is what the box looks like, guys, if you wanted to know. And oh my goodness. Okay. Guys, I am already freaking out just by a first glance. I can already see a lot of stuff that I don't have. Okay, so let's just dive into it. Let's get started. Woo. So the first item I have is the Jeffree Star 5-year anniversary edition liquid lip collection. This is what it looks like, guys, and these shades are so beautiful. I cannot wait to dive into this red and these pinks. And I already have this white liquid lip. This is called shade Drug Lord, and I use it as a white liquid liner sometimes. But I'm so excited to have the rest of the collection. Oh my gosh. Yay. We are off to a good start. So I swatched the liquid lips if you guys wanted to see what the shades look like. So right here we have shade Drug Lord. Then we have Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. I think that this red shade is going to be gorgeous, and as well as this pink shade, so I am so happy. Also, I forgot to mention, guys, stay until the end of the video because we are going to be going over what each individual item cost, and we're going to see how much I saved from buying the mystery box instead of buying each individual item, so you're not going to want to miss that. Okay, the next item I have is the Diet Root Beer Velour Lip Scrub. And this is from the Shane x Jeffree collaboration. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm excited to actually like smell it because I know that Shane is obsessed with Diet Root Beer. So let's see if this actually smells like it. This is what the packaging looks like, guys. And ooh, wow, okay, I can actually smell the root beer. Oh yeah, and it's strong too. That smells really good. I'm so happy I have this. I don't have this lip scrub. I have 2 others in pink lemonade and then like lime something. So I'm excited to add this to my collection. Okay guys, I am flipping out right now because I already see an item that I've been wanting for a long time. So I cannot wait to show you guys. Okay, whew, let me calm down. Oh, okay. Okay guys, the next item that I have is the Thirsty palette. Oh my goodness, guys. This is one of the palettes that I don't have. The other palette I don't have is the Orgy palette and the Cremated palette. So I'm so happy that I have this and I can add it to my collection. And this is what it looks like, guys. I've been looking at this palette for a while now and I'm so happy to have it. You guys don't even understand. All right, guys, this is the Thirsty palette. I love the colors. It is just so pretty. There are 10 mattes and then also 5 shimmers. And these colors are perfect for spring and summer. Oh, I'm so happy that I have this palette now because I will definitely be dipping into it all the time. Especially this silver color right here called Lick. This color is what I'm talking about. Isn't this palette so gorgeous, guys? I'm so happy that I have it. Yes, yes. Ah! Okay. So 2 things. One, we're not even halfway through and I'm already so happy with what I have. And looking in this box right now, there's so many other amazing things that I can't wait to show you. But also, I'm realizing that in my box, I have 8 items instead of 6. So I don't know if that's a mistake or I don't know if it's like that for everyone, but I'm so happy that I have 8 items. Like, what? 8 items for $75? Like, this literally has to be the best mystery box that I've ever had. I cannot wait to move on, so let's just jump into the next item. So the next item I have is the gloss. This is a lip gloss, and this is in shade Crystal Kiss. So let's see what that looks like. I do not have this gloss. So let's see. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, hold on. Oh, I never knew how to open these. Wow, guys. Okay. This is what Crystal Kiss looks like. It's like an iridescent light pink color with some shimmer in it. I'll swatch it on my hand so you guys can see it. And yes, this is such a, ooh. This is such a wearable color. Do you see like these reflexes of pink? That's gonna be so pretty, especially, ooh. I can probably use, let's see. I can probably put this on top of shade, what was this? Shade Doll Parts. That is gonna be such a pretty combination. And the fact that I'm getting shades that are actually wearable instead of like weird colors that are normally in mystery boxes makes this mystery box 10 times better. Okay, so I'm seeing another lip product here, and this is a velour liquid lip. And this is also from the Shane X Jeffree Star Cosmetics collaboration that they did. And this liquid lip is in shade Oh My God, which is a pink shade. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Ooh, ooh, wow. There are so many great colors in this box. I'm like shocked. Okay, guys, this is what shade Oh My God looks like. So pretty. It's like this nice baby pink color that is absolutely stunning. And I even love the packaging. It matches my, what's it called, liquid lip scrub that I had from earlier, and it's just so pretty. Let me swatch this one on the back of my hand as well. Oh, it actually says to shake before you use it. Okay, now I'll swatch this on the back of my hand. Ooh, wow. This is what shade Oh My God looks like, guys. This beautiful light baby pink color. Mwah. Wow, guys, like I said, I'm so surprised by all of the wearable shades that I got in this box because that is not normal. Normally get like all these weird colors. So the fact that all of these lip products are totally wearable is just like I said, this mystery box is amazing. Okay, let's jump into the next item. Okay, guys, it is taking everything in me not to just flip out from excitement right now. The next item I have is an item that I literally just talked about how much I wanted it, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, the item that I have is the Orgy palette. Ah! Okay, oh my gosh, guys, the reason why I'm so excited is because this is the second to the last palette that I don't have. Now, the only palette that I don't have from Jeffree Star Cosmetics is the cremated palette. If someone wants to buy me the cremated palette, hit me in my DMs or leave me a comment. But I actually also have the mini Orgy palette, and I did a whole review video on that, so definitely check it out. That mini palette is not being sold anymore because there are some complications. So if you want to find out my thoughts on that palette, definitely check out that video. But this is what the palette looks like, and this is what the shades look like. Oh, so pretty. Just nothing but nudes and neutral colors. And guys, like, I'll go a little bit closer. This is what it looks like. So pretty. And another thing that's so crazy, it is not common to get 2 eyeshadow palettes in one mystery box. Normally you get 1 eyeshadow palette and that's like the star of the box and you're so happy to get that. And then the rest of the products are like lip products or highlighters or whatever. So the fact that I got 2 eyeshadow palettes and they're both palettes that I don't have, I swear, I feel like this mystery box was meant for me and just, I couldn't ask for a better box and I've never had a better box. I'm so happy right now. It's crazy. Okay guys, let's get into the final 2 items in this box. The next item that I have is actually a lipstick holder, which is perfect because I now have 5 new lipsticks plus 2 that I already have. So now I have these stand to hold them all in, which is so cool. So I have the final product that was in the box in my lap right now. But guys, like I said earlier, keep watching because I'm gonna show you that surprise palette that I bought. But the final item that I have is the Jeffree X Shane mirror. Okay, I'm excited to see which mirror this is. I know that the mirror is going to be pink based upon the packaging. Hold on, let me get some scissors. And let me see what is in here. Oh my gosh! Okay, guys, I have the pink pig mirror. Let me go and take it out. This is the iconic pink pig mirror. This is what it looks like, guys, and this is a pig because you know that Shane's obsessed with pigs. So this is so cute, and this mirror is big, guys. Like, woo! I can see everything. This is definitely gonna be a mirror that I use every day because I can see everything. So pretty. This is gonna be a great mirror to add to my mirror collection because I have 2 others. So I'm excited that this will be joining the family. Whew. All right. Guys, that was everything in this mystery box, and I can honestly say that this was the best mystery box ever. Everything was wearable, everything is what I wanted, and I'm so happy that I spent the $75, but I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna calculate how much each item costs so we can see what our savings value was. So when I come back, we will talk about that and I will show you that surprise palette. Okay, I am back and let's talk calculations. I'm gonna be looking at my laptop because I wrote all of this down, but the 5-year anniversary lipstick collection was $45. It was originally $75, but on Beautylish, it is 40% off, so it's $45. Next, the Orgy palette was $62. Then the Thirsty palette was $48. Then the gloss was $18. And the Shane liquid lip was also $18, but it was on sale for $13.50. Next, we have the Shane lip scrub that was originally $12, but it's on sale on Beautylish for $7.20. Then we have the pig mirror, which was $30. Then we have the liquid lip stand, which was also $30. So all of that combined came out to a total value of $253.70. Mind blown. Like I said, guys, I paid $75 for this box, so my total savings was $178.70. So crazy. This is why I tell you guys, if you want to add to your makeup collection, get mystery boxes because you save so much money and you are able to get so many items, even items that you didn't even think that you needed, but now you have, and you just save so much money and it's so worth it. Guys, unboxing that mystery box was so much fun, and thank you for staying until the end. And now you get your reward. So that surprise pal that I wanted to show you guys is the mini blood sugar palette. This was not included in the mystery box. Like I said, I bought this separately, and this mini palette is actually called the Cavity palette, and it's like the sister to the blood sugar palette. This is what it looks like, guys. It's so pretty and red, and this is what these shades look like. Oh, I love these shades, guys. My favorite palette of all time from Jeffree Star is the Blood Sugar palette, so I knew that I had to have the mini. It's so cute in its travel size, and guys, this shade right here called Wisdom is to die for. I'm gonna swatch these shades so you can see what I'm talking about. So these are what the shades look like, guys. We have shade Glucose, Sugarcane, Ouch, Candy Floss, Wisdom, Sweetener, Prick, Cherry Soda, and Coma. These were kind of just quick swatches, but aren't these colors gorgeous? These two, Sweetener and Wisdom, are going to be my faves. Alrighty kittens, that is it for today's unboxing. I'm so over the moon with everything that I got. Let me know down in the comments which item was your favorite. And also leave me a comment if you want to see more mystery box unboxings, because I really enjoy this. So let me know if you like it too. Also, make sure you check out any of my other mystery box videos. If you like Jeffree Star Cosmetics, there's another one. And then also, if you like Juvia's Place, I did a mystery box unboxing for them too. So definitely check those videos out. Alrighty, my kittens, I love you so very much. Make sure to leave this video a like and also subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!